Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram profile link. So in order to do this, I'm going to show you how you can share your own Instagram profile link, and I'm going to show you how you can share someone else's Instagram profile link. So in order to share your own Instagram profile link, you want to head over to your profile, of course, and then what you want to do is you want to go to the top right corner of your screen and you click on those three little stripes. Then what you simply can do is click on QR codes, just like this. And then what you simply want to do is you want to click right here on copy link, and now you've literally copied your profile link and you can literally send it to anyone. Of course, that's really obvious. However, if I want to share someone else's profile link, it's a little bit different. So for example, if we go to Kim Kardashian or something, doesn't really matter. So for example, I want to share Kim Kardashian's profile link, then what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to click on the top right corner of our screen, just like this on the three dots. But now what I simply do is I click on copy profile URL, and now I can just send this URL to anyone I want. So that's literally how you can share anyone's profile link over on Instagram. If you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.